In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an Exness account. So I already clicked on the link and it brought me here. So I'm going to be clicking on open account. I'm going to be starting with my country or region of residence, my email address, and my password. So I stay in Nigeria. I'm going to put Nigeria, my email address, and I'm going to put my password. Next, I'm going to be declaring and confirming that I am not a citizen or resident of the US for tax purposes. Click on continue. I'm supposed to choose a trading account. So I'm going to be choosing real accounts. I'm showing you how to open a real account with Exness broker. For me to deposit, verification is required because I have to verify my account before I can deposit any money. So I'm going to be completing my profile. Verify my email first, and they are going to send me a verification code to my email. So I'm going to click on send me a code, and now I have to verify my email with the 6-digit verification code that Exness sent me already. Now my verification code has been sent, and I'm going to be verifying it now. And now I have to verify my phone number. I can either choose SMS or call. That means they are going to send it as a text message, or if I click on call, that means I'm going to get my code by a phone call. So I want SMS, so I'm going to click on SMS, then send me a code. Now my verification code has been sent to my phone number, and I'm going to click on continue. So now the personal information, you have to fill your first name, your last name, your gender, your date of birth, address. Now filled in my address, and the next thing I'm going to do is continue. So now, would you like to deposit more? Complete verification by sending us your proof of identity and proof of residence documents. Now I'm going to be completing my verification because I want to deposit. So I'm going to be doing this first before I verify. Now complete the profile verification to remove all limitations on depositing and trading. So now, what is my employment status? Self-employed. Do I have less than 1 year of trading experience? What is the purpose? Investment. Please select your annual income, $0 to $20,000. Select your total wealth, $0 to $20,000. You have to select according to you. Now please select your source of income and wealth. Savings. Now, what is your occupation or industry? I'm just going to be putting marketing, PR. That's for me. Now I've clicked on everything. I'm going to click on continue again. Now I'm on the page where I have to verify my document. The page is fully loaded, and this is where I'm going to verify my identity first. Now select the country or region. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to select Nigeria, and I'm going to be using, I can either use my passport, my driver's license, my national ID card, or my digital national ID card, the front and back, my residence permit, my digital NIN slip, my NIN slip, or my permanent voter's card. So for this video, I'm going to be using my NIN slip to verify. Now for this, I have to take a photo and all of that. So I'm going to be uploading the documents now. Now I've uploaded my NIN slip, and I'm going to be submitting document. Your documents are under review. This process usually takes 3 to 7 minutes. Sometimes it might last for 24 hours. Yeah. So now it's showing my profile is 83% complete. That means I've confirmed my email and phone number. I've verified my identity, and now I have to verify my address of residence or my residential address. So I'm going to complete profile. And now on this verify residence, I can only upload one of these documents. So either my NIN slip, my permanent voter's card, my driver's license, my bank card statement, utility bill. So I'm going to be using my NIN slip because it contains my address already. So I'm going to use my NIN slip, and I'm going to scroll down and click on upload proof of residence document. After submitting my proof of residence, I'm on this page now, and my documents are under review. It takes like 3 to 7 minutes, or my last up to 24 hours. So if your document is rejected, maybe because it's too blurry or it's not what they want, they're going to give you an error message. Yeah, so this one didn't give an error message because the documents were not blurry, and that was what they wanted. So if you click on NIN slip, you have to submit NIN slip. If you click on digital NIN, you have to submit digital NIN. But the last one didn't take up to, it took like an hour. My account verification is now complete, like 100% complete. Before it was 63% before I put my proof of identity. Then it turned to 83 when my proof of identity was complete and I had to put my proof of residence. Now my proof of resident document was accepted and now my verification is complete. So I have unlimited deposits to Exness. I'm fully verified. And I only needed my NIN slip to verify both my identity and my proof of residence. So you can do this too. All steps are now successfully completed. I've confirmed my email and phone number. I've verified my identity and I've verified my address of residence. All I needed was my NIN slip to verify both my identity and verify my address. We've come to the end of this video on how to create a trading account with Exness broker. If you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe, like, and leave a comment.